What's up, guys? Alright, so just figured I'd give this a whirl, and I had my headlight bulbs go out on my Suburban. So I ordered these torch beam LED lighting. They had some pretty good reviews. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I bought these and just wanted to try them out and show you guys what I think. Instruction manual. Don't need that. Let's see. So this came with a set of high beams and low beams. Let's see. So it's got a pretty typical connector there and some fancy red LEDs. Fan on the back. Cool. So I have switched all the other bulbs in my Suburban to LED. I just have not done the headlight bulbs. So now that they've burnt out, I figured it is time to do that. Should be pretty simple plug and play installation. Some 9005s and 9006s. And fancy gloves. Ooh. Cool. So let's see how these go. High beam bulb is still doing good. Why not? I believe. Try hard beams. And that's our high beam. Go. Just like that, they fit. Oh yeah. Okay, and then we'll just do the other side.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. I press the button and the doors go off like.
So tonight I'll take this for a little test drive, check out how those bulbs do, and I'll let you know what I think. So far so good. Well, here you go. You can see just how bright these lights are. They are much brighter than my old lights were. I can hardly see driving down the highway, which I was expecting them to be nice and bright, but there's high beams. So yeah, we'll drive on my way to work here and see how it goes. These lights have some kind of special weird angle directional beam thing where it's not supposed to piss off your oncoming traffic with your super bright lights. So we will also see if I get flashed on my way to work. All right. Low beams, high beams. So made it to work, and yeah, I am impressed. I enjoy the bulbs. I had way more light than I did with the halogen bulbs. High beams work good, low beams work good. See lots, I didn't get flashed at all. So far I think it's a win. So these cost me $84 Canadian on Amazon. So American, I don't know, 10 bucks. They work good. I am happy with them. Once again, this isn't sponsored. I don't have any other LED bulbs to compare them to. I haven't run LED bulbs in my Suburban or in Burbara before, but as an upgrade from halogen, thumbs up. Keep cruise culture alive.